welcome back to my IGTV. So guys, in today's video I have collaborated with Her Natural Crown and I'm going to be trying to recreate one of her natural hair tutorials. So first things first, I'm going to start off on stretched hair, have my hair in braids. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously get my hair undone. So guys, I've taken down my hair. My hair was stretched. So now let's get into seeing how Her Natural Crown actually pulls this hairstyle together. So the first thing that she did was to spritz her hair with water, and I'm guessing that is just to add some moisture back into her hair. But I did use my Cantu leave-in conditioner in my moisture routine, and I also spritzed my hair with aloe vera juice. So after spritzing her hair with water, moisturizing, she actually she separates the front portion of her hair, and she separates the front portion and then the high puff. So that's why I actually braided my hair going forward, because I knew that I needed to have this fringe part. Let me just tie this out of the way. And then she actually does her high puff. So I'm also going to be using a string. This is taking so long. Whew, okay, my arms. Face. Very underwhelming puff. So after she does this and then she ties her scarf, I'm going to be using my scarf from Sister Flow Naturals. Let's see. And then she basically just pins down her front part of her hair. This is the thing with having thin, low density hair. I don't even think I need to pin this down really. And there we have it, guys. Oh, I forgot. So the last thing that she does is to gel her edges down. So I'm just gonna do that. So guys, here you have it, the final look. Whew. Thank you so much to Her Natural Crown for, collaborating with me on this quick video. If you want to see her following one of my hair tutorials, then please do head over to her page and show her some love and support. Follow her. And yeah guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.